Hello everyone. In the previous session, we discussed about the text box, and today we will discuss about the label. So, basically, what is label? So, label is basically a component or an object through which we can display the message on our GUI on our phone. So, in the toolbox list, you can find the label over here, and when you simply you can drag and drop it on the form. So basically it represents a standard window label used to display some informative text on the GUI. It's very simple. Now let's discuss about the some most useful properties, methods and the events. You can explore all the other properties as well, but most commonly used is our font, like what type of font you want to keep, then what the color of the font, then text style, right? So sorry, text is not the text style. Text means what you want to print, what you want to display, that we call the text. Then text alignment, auto size, border style, flat style, and tab stop. Tab stop. Why tab stop? Because what happens when, see, suppose here we have a form, right? And when we take the components on the form, any component, like let's say first I have taken label, then text box, then label, then text box, then label, then text box, and then some buttons, let's say. In this case, what happens when you drag and drop the components, each and every component has its own tab index. So tab index is basically used to get the tab index value. Like if I say that the tab index value is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now what will happen when you will run the form? By default this label would be active, and when you press tab key from your keyboard, it will automatically jump to the second index, then third index, then fourth index. But we know that normally the use of the label is just to display the message, right? Just to display the message. So in that case we don't need a tab. And for that, here we have a tab stop property. So you can change the tab stop property. So now what will happen when you will press the tab key? It will first come to the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 this way, right? So this is about the tab stop property. Then if you talk about the methods, different methods, so most useful method is a show. Of course there are many other methods, but show is a most useful methods. Now what happens, let's say that here you have a form, and here we have some few labels, and here you have let's say some text box, right? Some text box. I'm just showing you that what is the actual purpose. When you load the form, at that time you have all these 4 labels, right? But after triggering some event, suppose you want to hide some labels, in that case you can use this method. Like suppose after applying or after triggering some event, I want to hide this label. I don't want to display. It means what? It should be show is equal to false, right? And suppose at the runtime, at the design time, suddenly some label is hidden. some label is hidden at the design time, but you want to display it on runtime. In that case, you can use this method, right? So show is basically just to hide and unhide the label. And the last we have all the events, some commonly used events like click, double click and mouse hover. Normally when it comes to the label, we normally don't use events because in very rare case we need events in the case of the label, because label is something through which you can display the message on the screen, right, on the GUI. So this is about the label component. Now let's see in the VB. Let's say I'm taking one new form. Let me add one new form. Here I have one project and I am adding new item, and that new item I want window form. So you can add window form 2. Right, so here we have a form. So label. So here we have a label. Right, see, this is the label, and as we have just seen different properties here. See, so many properties are there, but we discussed only some commonly used or most useful properties. So here we have a back color. You can change the back color, right? Any back color you can keep. Then we have a border style, right? We have different border style. Then font. Let me increase the font size 15, suppose. Also you can change its other attributes. Then for color, let's say other color you can use. For color means font color. Then location, tab index is there. Then text alignment. Instead of the label, let's say I want to write enter your name. This is just for the information, right? So here is the label. Yes, and when you double click on it, it will redirect you to the coding window, and when you write the name of that component, label 1, and when you press the dot, it will list out all the properties and method. See, bring to front is a method. We have already discussed this symbols in the previous session. So here many methods are there, right? Many methods are there. Yes, so it is about the method, and here we have different events like click event, then double click, and many methods are there. It depends, like based on your project you can use the events in the label. So this is about the label. More we will see about other components in the next session.